Yeah, so we just finished up with our rehearsals. I was just gonna say, like, it looked easy from the outside, but in there, I don't even know. I think the stuff is slightly slippery or something, and then we're gonna be wearing heels. Oh my gosh! But anyways, I really can't wait for tonight. Amen. Frontline models.
Yeah. Tacha, yes, I mean Tacha and Dede is cooking up something, but guys, that is not our area of focus. Our area of focus, this you saw here on the screen, has been making headlines on the TL. Tell me what this is. Dede apology, guys. Those who are taking her side, those who are supporting her at the point of when she made the video was like disappointed. A lot was said about this. Trolls upon trolls, oh, they were like, this guy, is that you? Oh really? Why will you go back to your vomit? That means you're not bold enough. Like guys, the love was said. Well, let's find out and see what she said. Oh god damn, me too. I was so surprised because I felt like you said nothing wrong that yesterday, so why all this? Let's dive in because me seem as though pressure after the video come down on her. Okay guys, let's find out. Let's read with me as well though. This says, okay, good morning divas. I want to sincerely apologize for what happened yesterday. My words didn't come out the way I intended, and I am truly sorry to anyone who felt hurt or misunderstood. Or really, you have shown me so much love, support, and loyalty, and never take that for granted. And for a moment, I deeply appreciate every single one of you. The message I tried to share wasn't meant to offend or dismiss everything you have done for me, but simply to address some things circulating online. This is a learning process. This is a learning process, and I am going through it. Thank you for your patience, your kindness, and your unwavering support. I love you all so much. But what she said here wasn't that bad at all. But do you know why people were kicking against this? Because the apology. She posted this on her IG story. I was so perplexed. This was said, devastated are actually jealous of Dede yesterday. She took her power back and they just couldn't have that. Everything she got, looks, fashion, aura, and things they project on her. Perfection, class, infallibility, etc. They inflect so they can withdraw at their whims. They don't want to see her succeed unless they are involved. They don't want her to be free, flex her youth. They want her to on her knees for them wise, to praise her in public. They don't want her form relationship with other housemates because she must not hear contrasting opinions. She's not real to them. She's a plaything they want to control. Oh, you can see different speculations, different narrative, all in the name of this apology. But guys, not a small thing. This one said, naughty divas never see since yesterday. The ones that loves stood their ground to defend her when you vultures were out for head voted back to back, contributed, and now jealous of her. Anyway guys, you can see a lot of people were just surprised. You see agenda they cry, you same devastated as 2 10-2s for 3 months voting for her back to back, same devastated that made her top 2, same devastated that didn't ship her with anyone because of how much they love and respect her outside relationship, same devastated that they carried Joe's mother on their head because of their friendship, same devastated that love her everyone around her, same devastated that want her to be outside and mingle, same devastated that had hyped all her endorsement, same devastated that praying for more endorsement and recognition, same devastated. These are people who were like seeing what people are saying or what, like they can't even wait. In fact, controlling down they choke on this clip. They were like, what the hell, Dede? We thought you have something upstairs, so why are you allowing this to control you? Like, what you said yesterday wasn't bad. Oh, really? Are they turning your mind to what again? Like, guys, when I said this is why I will forever rate Koyin's fan. If that video was made by Koyin, they would have turned the whole scenario into a cruise and being emotional, dramatic all over the TL. That their boy was held under gun duress for making that video and will be crying justice for Koyin. In their eyes, Koyin always innocent. Divas need to learn how to control narratives so that it doesn't hurt their baby girl. She might through you under the bus, but never you all threw her on into a lion's den for her to be eaten by monsters on the street. She is new to how this township works, but you all aren't new to this street. Next time, do better to handle the situation better. Never let emotion control your intelligence. People are against them though. Our baby girl is talking to us. The hurt, the disappointment, the regret, etc. for years there has been apologized for. We defended from a house, we built an army, and they want up too. They don't want us together. They wish they'd runs down. Oh yeah. These are the devastated. Kites Kimi say, why is Dede apologizing? Waiting, she do. On more BBN Twitter and drama every day. New wahala. Forgive her, or she is just a girl. Like anyway, it has been screaming. So we are surprised. We are the divas are happy. Why is they tracked their baby yesterday? Dede has apologized. Divas are devastated. On the IG community, everybody is valid for real. So guys, why some people, the divas are happy? Many of them, you can tell that they all are happy. As some people are so shocking. Many in this clip are shocking. So it was like, why did she? Why could she? This one say, oh, she has sold her soul to them. What a weak girl. Now she just has to soak up the negativity and learn to live with the depression they cause her just because she comes poverty. Oh wow. And need their donation. Like guys, nothing people have no spill like as this situation. They were like, okay, you can't stand alone. You are being, you're confused at the center. You are carried away by what they are giving you. They are gifting and stuff like that. Or that stops you from standing 10 toes on what you spill. My guys, people are disappointed. A lot of people. Big love say you did nothing wrong. Now this apology just made everything even worse for you. If you know you are going to end up apologizing every day, please stop making videos. You just embarrass yourself for no reason. Please focus on getting busy and booked, because this constant apology cycle is becoming too much. Stand a favorite who has sense, who can stand up for their words and boldness. Stop standing someone who behaves like a chicken. Now I actually believe all the names your fans have been calling you. Moving forward, enter house and look for company that will give you endorsement. Hey, big love waiting happen. This girl saying all this will be great. Why? And I saw her yesterday. She was busy doing 1 or 2. But guys, I know she will be saying all this things, but this girl is a human being though, and this is getting to her. The more people we are saying a lot of things, but guys, it's not the wrong thing to apologize. Can I follow where these people got her back? Okay, she might feel like she's spilling it because people might have told her, even the company she came, the family and stuff like that might have told her to do this. For her to make this step to apologize, there's a reason for it. Okay, this was was it not you that was dragging her yesterday, talking about housemaid being disrespected to their fans? Now you have changed mouth again. Leave her and her fans alone. It's not your business. It's true, always hiding with laughing emoji. Oh, no, you get the point now. Now, apologize or not, these people are just hateful. They do not care. They just want to clown you, no matter what you do. Is why I respect Faith like he made a fool out of all of them and made their hate very light. He made them very powerless. Oh, this is a faithful. Anyway, you can see people contribution. This was a hat. Now, God, I beg. Why did they even bring it to the TL? Who advised her to do this apology? Oh, Bella, you always be famous. God be with her. Cause the people around her should know better that this would bring more drugs and make her look some way. Dede is what? Hey, telling you. Anyway, guys, you can see how people are saying. This was, oh, more. I feel sorry for Dede. Our behaviors as fans shouldn't be like this. She was calling out bullies. Oh yeah, what's wrong? What they're telling her to apologize? If not, you are understanding her. Come on, guy. She doesn't like her name always trending for wrong reason. Trending because of insults and drugs. We can do better as a whole. May the Lord, our Almighty God, intervene. She is just doing. Oh, people are just pitiful. People are just feeling emotional, guys. Let's dissect this. I've read enough, right? People had a lot to talk about. But this one even says something more. Like Choosing said, not everything is black or white. Regardless of how well you meant or how right you are, your action cannot please everyone. If your action hurts those you are okay, you say you love, it is okay to apologize for how you actually made them feel. That doesn't mean you are taking your words back. It only means you are acknowledging their feelings for you though. Yeah, you make sense though. After all this saying and all stuff like that, she posted, "Walking my first runway tonight. This moment feels so real. See you at 7 p.m. Already so set up, will really book the right girl. Go show them how a real rose moves." So after in all this chaos, she just came and posted this. I know she'll be seeing all the true tantrums and and this one said more that Teresa is walking the wrong way tonight. They will forget about the apology to dissect her work. Then they will forget she is a woman and try to descend on her. This one will be some sponsored by Room for All for Just Watch. Anyway, guys, what do you feel like? Do you feel like what she did wasn't right? Or what me? I felt perplexed though. Oh yeah, there's nothing wrong in apology, like someone said, but it doesn't call for it. For me, I felt like it's not necessarily, because she didn't say anything wrong though. She didn't say anything wrong. Maybe she just watched the video over and over again and picked some point in it because the video was kind of lengthy. For her, there is a decision to make. Coming out to tender apology suit her, but I felt like if there's any need though, maybe she felt like there's any need, and if there is, that doesn't mean that she is taking back her word. She has made a point, but she felt like maybe she has misused some words there, and which is not supposed to be, because maybe she felt like she's mean though. And I felt like maybe if she tender apology and find out that in some areas she is mean based on what she spilled yesterday, in times of saying, oh yeah, I can't stand sort of blah blah blah, like if you really that lane or stuff like that, she felt like maybe she was not supposed to say such a thing, and she held it back and was trying to you know make everything just realign everything and make it all peace. That suits her. I'm not to blame her, but I felt like this blame from all round finger. Well, did you support the notion, or did you felt like she shouldn't or she should? Can I see you say? Because me, I felt like there is no need. But if she does that, I'm not to blame. I'm not to I'm not to judge her because where she goes wrong. Because she's a human being though, and who know the pressure on her that must have pushed her to say no, look at what you said here, look at what you said, and you need to correct this, stuff like that, and she had to put this. So it's on her though. She's the one who wore the shoe and know where she had. So no blames. That's my take. Bring your scorn, because right now I'm hanging up. Catching my next clip. Bye for now.